So this is question number 13.7, and in this question particularly, the question says the fusion property of 239 plutonium are very similar to those of 235 uranium. The average energy released per fusion is 180 mega electron volt. How much energy in mega electron volt is released if all the atoms in 1 kg of pure 239 plutonium undergoes fission? So we have given that for one plutonium nuclei or uranium nuclei, how much energy we are going to get, or it is going to be released, right? 180 mega electron volt. Once I got the number of nuclei that present in 1 kg of pure p plutonium 239, that our calculation is going to be easy. We have to just multiply this 180 with the number of how much number of the nuclei we have of our plutonium, right? So that is the same thing we are going to do here. Simple thing. First of all, we have to write in the exam, for the examination perspective, you have to write first the given that. What is given that? Given mass of plutonium, that is 1 kg. The molar mass of plutonium, that is 239. That is given here, that is atomic mass 239, right? Then energy per fusion is 180 mega electron volt, similar for the uranium 235, right? And the Avogadro number, so for first of all, we have to calculate the number of plutonium atom that we have, and that is number of moles of plutonium into Avogadro number, and that you are going to get after calculation is 2.52 into 10 to the power 24 nuclei of atom in 100 gram of 1000 gram of uranium. You have to take that kg in gram, right? For that, the basic calculations, you have to keep that unit in mind, right? Then after that, calculating total energy. So total energy we know for one nuclei, the energy we know in mega electron volt, and total nuclei that we have we know. Simple calculation, you have to multiply that, and the total energy that you are going to get is 4.5 into 10 to the power 26 mega electron volt. So just simple thing, for one nuclei 180 mega electron volt, and you have total number of nuclei n, so just multiply it with 180 and you will get the total energy that will going to release, right? Simple thing.